On YouTube, you know it's your boy Click, and you're tuning into Click React. Today we're gonna be looking at the top 25 most viewed TikToks ever. I don't know about you guys, but for me, I always see some videos sometimes, and I'm just like, it's so crazy to me that this video has been liked or watched so much because it's either nothing or it's not even funny, and it just gets out there. I don't know how it gets into the algorithm or whatever the case is, but that's what we're going to be looking at today, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and tell me if you agree with this list of most viewed. Like, do you think these videos deserve to get the views and likes that they got? We're just going to get right into it as usual. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace. Oh, this is sick. Okay. That's definitely something I would watch. This is definitely sick. Mark cannot wait, what? Cannot roll films. Okay, got you. 28.4 mil. What the fuck is Mario doing? Okay. Mario definitely hit that one in this book. I guess that's like a visual, like pleasing type of video. 28.6, okay.
Can you say puedes hacerme un sandwich? That means can you make me a sandwich in Spanish?
Yeah, that's funny. That's funny. That's funny. 29.1. Oh wow. Yo, I'm dead. This guy, obviously, Cabby, he's gonna get those views when it comes to anything he's in, man. He is the most viewed on TikTok, I swear. Things I learned on TikTok, part 52. 29.7 million. Why would, oh wow. I Yo, it's facts though. Like, why would you need to do that? Like, why would you need to do that? Oh, 30.4. This guy, I think there's so many stories of lions like being grown from cubs, and then the person like leaves them because they get too big, and I guess they get reunited. So these videos are always cool for me to see too. So I think I would definitely agree that these should get watched. It's not every day you see a lion hugging somebody. It's actually cool animals, and 30.7. Now I don't know what this dog is gonna do, but the fact that it's doing something when it comes to art, it is crazy. No, really, I haven't thought about my ex today. Oh wait, fuck, I just did. There's no way, bro. But I went outside. There's no way. First time in a no way. Felt nice and I might try doing exercise. There's no way. There's no way. That is so crazy. You're telling me a dog is more artistic than me? Just kidding. Oh, okay, Cabby again. People really waste their money doing this type of videos, eh? I mean, could have even used the outside handle, to be honest. Okay. I don't know why she thought that would have sustained her weight. I know that's a hard drop too, because she was mid swing.
You are so beautiful.
Animals do be getting those views. Yo, why he look like? Okay. Another Cabby. Okay, just hold the cup, I would say. Yo, it's so crazy to me that this man really took off for videos like this. It's too funny. Because, you know, I think some people actually made these videos actually being serious. Like, this is how you could do this or whatever. Like, because the how-to videos, right? Yes, some people were joking about it, but some people are dead ass.
Are you okay? Do you need something?
Yeah, definitely gonna see Cabby running this. How did your mask even get in there? Yo, his face is so funny. Honestly, he's a funny guy. The fact that he gets this much views for his content, I think maybe because it's so short and stuff too. It's not everybody's like, oh, quick laugh. So I think that's why he gets the views he does. Oh, shit like this is satisfying too. Well, this is like graphics, right? Like, this is edited. Crazy. Why did those start rolling out after? Oh, it's a never ending. I mean, yeah, those videos are satisfying, so I get it. Babies will get them views. Yep. Leave your foot on the door, why don't you? That is so funny, bro. Like, they put the effort into putting that video up with her blocking the door with her own foot, man. Like, I don't get it, man. Ooh. I mean, I get this one, but I also get the other one. That mirror does help for some people, because not everybody. It's like a last minute thing, but at least the mirror is right in front of your eyes. You know what I mean? Another cat. Where my dog videos at, man? Cats are so disrespectful. I'll put his head there like it's his. I mean, you could have just peeled that normally. I'm guessing that's what Cabby's gonna tell us. Such a waste of a banana. Yo, the man probably sees these videos like, I cannot believe these guys really gave me this content to make. Fun fact, I heard that we peel bananas wrong. I think monkey, you're supposed to peel it from the stem, I think. Or whatever way we do it as human beings, you're not supposed to do it that. We're supposed to do it the opposite way. And if you know, because if you see an ape or a monkey eating a banana, they do it the right way, right? Which is more natural. Who is this, Billy?
Bark at your dog.
I mean, she's famous, so that's why she got those views. Because if you did that shit, or I did that shit, I ain't getting no views. These dog ones are so funny. Like, what you just say to me, nigga? If you can't be right, yeah. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Honestly, the drones make everything so sick. I can't lie. I'm so confused on videos like that. It has 48 million views. I guess it's because of the song? I don't know. Oh, this is talent. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason. Wow. That man, I can't even draw a stick man properly, like for it to be aesthetically pleasing. course, we expect her to be up there like that. I feel like famous people are gonna get those high views. You know what I mean? It comes with the territory. Can't be mad at it. It is what it is. But guys, let me know. Do you agree with this list? Because I think there's a lot of stuff I've seen on TikTok that I would expect to be on that list and have more views. But it is what it is, man. I'll see you guys later, man. Peace.